Welcome back to LeLe Flow. Today I want to share with you some of the decoration for Shara and Noah wedding. Again, congratulations to Noah and Shara. I wish you both a happy life together. This wedding is based on Greenery and Rustic wedding theme. This is the wedding sign, and we mainly use Eucalyptus and some roses and quinine. We also have some white scapiosa just to add into the flow. Give it more movement. Here's the table chart where people can find their name, where to sit. And this is the guest book. This arrangement is the same thing that we're using, mainly greenery and roses, quinine and scapiosa. This is where the gift table, where they're gonna put the gift and also card for the bride and the groom. On this arrangement, we use white roses, quinine, scapiosa, and Lisianthus. And greenery, we have different kind of greenery. Here is the sweetheart table, where you can find the same flower that we've been using throughout the arrangement. And we also have the backdrop. This is later on that they can move the sweetheart table and they can take picture with the guests. I wish the sweetheart table can be a little bit bigger, but it's okay. The closer they get, the more romantic they are. So this is just a small arrangement tacked into the background, and there's where we have the side. It's just to bring out the background color, but it's give a lot of movement and romantic look. And here where we have the centerpiece. So the centerpiece is very simple. Again, the theme is greenery, so we're just adding a little bit of white flowers just to bring out. And we have we're using the gold vase, same thing with the gold candle holder. So throughout the wedding, you can see the linen is white color, the accent is gold, and just greenery. Summer day, this is just make you feel a little cooler. It has a lot to reduce the heat when you have white and greenery. So the guests start arriving. Some of them are already here, and we have staff that try to finish up the table. I forgot to mention this venue is the barn. So they have very beautiful outdoor, and this is because summer hot days, so we have it indoor. So this is where you can find a drink. This is non-alcohol. Very nice display, and this is where the bar that they can get alcohol. To capture where they have all the food area. This kind of wedding is like a buffet. Pick up your own food and choose what you want. This is the wedding cake, and because it's very hot outside, so we still have it in the fridge. The cake decoration is using peony. We have peony, and we have roses and scapiosa, and also quinine and some greenery. It's very simple but very cute and elegant. We're just gonna keep it here and leave the table ready so they can bring out the cake later. So here is where I have all the boutonnieres. This one is for the groom, and also the rest of them is for the groomsmen. This is the one for the groom. It have the black ribbon, and the rest of them is for the groom. And we using the white satin ribbon and also access with the gold some roses. We use different kind of greenery in here, and some of the greenery is really pop and stand out, just to make a different texture between the eucalyptus. This bouquet, it provides different texture of white and creamy and different greenery. Also, in the middle of the peony, it have the kind of like yellow color, a little bit yellow, so it's really stand out. It's not like old white color. It just provide different texture. And the rose have a very creamy looking, so it's very beautiful and it smell very good. Also adding some of the Boston foam in here. It's just to bring out the different type of greenery, and it's help for the eucalyptus stand out more. I also use Camellia greenery in here, so the leaf is very shiny, and the green color is a little bit darker green, just to have a different texture. Greenery, because they already have the ceremony, so they only use this for the reception, just for the bridesmaid to hold and take some picture. I'm using the same ribbon color as the bride. And it's very light and very easy to hold, because some of the bridesmaids do not want to hold a big bouquet too. But this is another way for them to save money as well. Please enjoy the rest of the video for some personal flowers that I capture, and also some pictures that I capture at the venue. Thank you, Shara and Noah, for choosing LeLe Floral. I hope you like and subscribe this video.